Good afternoon, everybody. How is everyone? Folks, I want to share this one with you guys. Another nice unit. 2019 Subaru WRX limited all-wheel drive automatic, Carfax certified, 2 owners, 27 service records on Carfax. 90% of them are at Subaru. Prior certified used unit, as fresh as June, I believe. Anyway, we got it and it is available. Service is done. She is absolutely gorgeous. Pearl white with bronze wheels, blue calipers. So this one is not the normal limited. The limited, once you're at the limited trim level, you can choose it with optional Eyesight system. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And the navigation. This one has both of them. Power sunroof, backup camera, heated leather seats, radar cruise control. You can choose different driving modes, pedal shifters on the steering wheel, and more. Heated seats and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and do our routine. Start in the front. Let's listen to this engine. This is how they run when they're happy. AC is on. That's the fan. Let's kick in. Plenty of photos is going to be available on our website at trimaxauto.com. Point of contact is going to be Justin. He'll be happy to help you guys out with sales, service, and finance. Extra clean unit, folks. LED headlights, LED fog lights, and yes, it is a diamond pearl white. Let's see if you guys can see. There you go. Bronze wheels with the blue gray calipers. Pretty. All right, let's start diving in. There you go. Let's go to the tires are like new. Owner's manual is present. Navigation. This is where you set the distance with the car ahead of you with the radar cruise, Bluetooth, pedal shifter behind. Sunroof controls right there. Black leather interior with red stitches all over. I don't think anybody sat in the back seat, and maybe someone sat in the passenger front seat at one point. Because it is the limited, you got the Harman Kardon sound system. Oh, Eyesight is what I was going to show you guys, right? So there is limited without Eyesight and with Eyesight. Actually, we have a Super Crosstrek right there that has the Eyesight system also. When you have the Eyesight, you have these 2 things on the right and left of your rear view mirror. That's how you know if you have Eyesight. LEDs on the mirrors. Let's go ahead and she runs absolutely beautiful. Such a clean car. Look at this leather. Like no one ever touched it. There you go. That's in the back. Behind the back seat. Nothing funny with the doors. Everything is the way it's supposed to be. Extra clean unit. Tail lights. Everything is good. I guess the sun glare is killing us. Floor mats. Let's go ahead and close that trunk. Oops, sorry. Didn't something. Photos will be very detailed. Let's go into the driver's side. Sunroof does work, yes. Closer look at the steering wheel. Paddle shifters. Trunk, dash lights, traction. Rider door. Yeah. Okay, this one also has the blind spot. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. Blind spot monitor and heated mirrors. So she's fully loaded. All options you can get on it is on it. That's about it, folks. If you're interested, trymaxauto.com. 757-222-0522. This is one pretty clean pearl white WRX. Great ownership, great service history. She's just, I mean, if you're in the market for one, this is definitely worth looking at. It's just beautiful. We've been doing this since 2007. Thanks to you guys. We love you so much. Thank you. Thank you for all the referrals. Thank you for all the out-of-state customers. We seriously love you guys. Thank you for the support. I wish everybody supports each other like that. If you bought a car from us as a thank you, you need any service, you get discounted labor rate and discount on your parts. So no worries there. All right, folks, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye.